Hello and welcome to the OWC instructional series of installation videos. In this installment, we will be upgrading the memory in a mid-2010 17-inch MacBook Pro. We have already powered down, unplugged, and placed our MacBook Pro on a soft, static-free workspace. To begin, close the MacBook Pro and turn it upside down. There are a total of 10 Phillips screws we need to remove from the bottom of the MacBook Pro. We will begin by removing these 3 screws as they are different lengths than all the other screws. Now, gently pull the bottom of the case, starting at the top rear, until all the snaps release. The memory is located here. To remove the old memory, pull the levers on the side of the memory module in an outward direction to release the module from the memory card slot. Pull the memory card module out and repeat for the second module. To install the new memory, align the notch in the memory module with the pin in the memory card slot. Tilt the memory card and push it into the slot. You should hear a click when the memory module is inserted correctly. Repeat for the second memory module. Now set the bottom of the MacBook Pro into place and push in these 2 spots to lock it in. Replace the 10 Phillips screws, starting with the 3 longer ones here. You can now turn your MacBook Pro over, open it up, and turn it on.